What's happening, good people? This is Chris Ogene over at Fitzgerald Toyota with a very quick, very valuable vehicle that I have in inventory right now. This is a little bit rare because this one is a 2024 Toyota Sienna Minivan Hybrid XLE 8-passenger. This is not the 7-passenger all-wheel drive. This is the front-wheel drive 8-passenger. It has the bench inside and it is lovely, loaded with features. This one is in the magnetic gray color. It has your LED headlights. It also has the LED fog lights right there and the front parking sensors on the vehicle. There's a radar right behind the logo that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen for your lane tracing assist, lane departure alert. This one is also going to have the touch opening feature on the side doors, and it also has the kick sensor. I'm going to kick right here, and it has the kick sensor to close the door. All right, look at that. 2024 Sienna XLE with only 26,000 miles on the odometer. It has your blind spot monitor right there, as well as heated mirrors. This one has the Softex gray leather, easy to wipe down, power chair with lumbar support. It even has a moonroof. Look at that. Look at your moonroof. Coming in here, you can see the energy monitor system right there. This one also has heated seats. All right, loaded vehicle. All right, I'll come to the back so that you can see. This one also has the bench seat. Look at that, bench seat. So this is an 8-passenger. You have 3 passengers in the back right there. It has the climate control feature right there. The vents all over the vehicle. USB chargers all over the vehicle. Magazine pockets. It has the all-weather mat system in the vehicle. All right, come over here to the back. You can see the air deflector. This one has the roof rack. You can put roof rack crossbars on it. It has the rear windshield wiper. You can see Sienna right there. XLE hybrid, and you can see the backup sensors in the back there. All right, one touch opening in the back, power hatch, and then you can see the third row here, and then look at all the cargo space you have there. And that middle seat right there, it's called the jump seat, can be stored right here in this cubby if you don't need it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you want this in your driveway, you want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. It's going to go quickly. 2024 Toyota Sienna XLE Hybrid front-wheel drive 8-passenger, and you want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.